As soon as you concern yourself with the good and bad of your fellows, you create an opening in your heart for maliciousness to enter. Testing, competing with, and criticizing others weakens and defeats you. The divine is not something high above us. It is in heaven. It is in earth. It is inside us. When you can bow deeply to the universe, it bows back. When you call out the name of God, it echoes inside you. To injure an opponent is to injure yourself. To control aggression without inflicting injury is the art of peace. Heaven is right where you are standing, and that is the place to train. Never fear another challenger, no matter how large. Never despise another challenger, no matter how small. The true meaning of the samurai is one who serves and adheres to the power of love. Large does not always defeat little. Little can become large by constant building. Large can become little by falling apart. Your spirit is the true shield. An attack is proof that one is out of control. When you lose your desire for things that do not matter, you will be free. Those who are possessed by nothing possess everything. Life is growth. If we stop growing, technically and spiritually, we are as good as dead. Do away with emperors, kings, and artificial government. Establish true equality. Abolish capitalism. Live in God's heart, simply and purely. Loyalty and devotion lead to bravery. Bravery leads to the spirit of self-sacrifice. The spirit of self-sacrifice creates trust in the power of love. The art of peace is the religion that is not a religion. It perfects and completes all religions. Warriorship is none other than the vitality that sustains all life. Those who are enlightened never stop forging themselves. Failure is the key to success. Each mistake teaches us something. A warrior is always engaged in a life and death struggle for peace. The purpose of the art of peace is to fashion sincere human beings. A sincere human being is one who has unified body and spirit, one who is free of hesitation or doubt, and one who understands the power of words. The purpose of training is to tighten up the slack, toughen the body, and polish the spirit. Do not look upon this world with fear and loathing. Bravely face whatever the gods offer. One does not need buildings, money, power, or status to practice the art of peace. Heaven is right where you are standing, and that is the place to train. Life is a divine gift. The divine is not something outside of us. It is right in our very center. It is our freedom.